Hello everyone, today I will show you how to delete your Clipchamp account permanently, and here's how it is done. First, go to your account settings. Once you are there, you will see an option to delete account. If you want to proceed with deleting your account, click on this option. You might be prompted with a few additional steps. If you are subscribed to the premium plan, you will need to manually cancel your subscription before deleting your account. If you don't do this, it could cause issues. You can sign in through Microsoft to manage your subscription. Please note that if you delete your account, any data stored in the cloud, including videos and projects, will be permanently deleted and you will no longer be able to access your account data. Once you are ready, re-enter your email address, click Delete Account, and your account will be permanently deleted. And that is everything you need to know about how to delete your Clipchamp account permanently. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.